you do use your blinker. What are you doing? That's not a green light. It is now. What the fuck are we?
I don't know, but that was really funny. Because I just saw them driving backwards and I was like, oh, hello. That was really funny.
Oh, wow. Fucking moron. I just had to slam on my brakes from like 65 to 30 because this guy just pulled out of the food line right in front of me. Wow. It's literally a green light. Nice. What'd she say?
About Leo's car.
What about it?
I'll tell you in a minute.
I just watched that car go from the center lane over there.
All the way over?
Yeah.
I've done that before.
You got in the turn lane, my guy. What do you want?
Arizona. Southwest has its own. It's got its own shit.
Wow.
He has places to be. He was probably already over the line.